so these are most of the ingredients. We'll start with the jalapenos, which are sliced down the middle and completely gutted. And here we have 1.5 medium-sized yellow onions. We have finely chopped tomatoes there. And I'm trying a third way of making this side dish by adding meat to it. So that's not something that you would typically see if you've ever had this before. I've never seen it that way, but I'm gonna try to do it today. And I think it'll be great, actually. That's for all my meat eaters, so a nice option for the meat people there. And also the things that are missing here that you're not seeing is salt and olive oil. And I like to use olive oil, which is what is recommended, because it's nice and thick and it goes really well with these ingredients. And also it has nice, good fat content, so it just adds an extra layer of flavor to it. So this is what we'll see. Again, we're gonna do 3 types. 2 of them are all vegan, with the onions, tomatoes, salt and pepper, which is what, like I said, what you would typically see. And the third option, I'm gonna add meat and cook it all in there and kind of stuff it in there. So let's get started.